Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to execute the JMeter test in GUI mode in load testing. Okay. Our topic is how to run JMeter. How to run JMeter GUI load testing. Okay. I will open the first of all I will show the which business flow. I will take the sample application JPET store. You can go to the just a minute. You can go to the Google and type directly JPET store. That's all. JPEG store demo application. Okay, you can open that one and click on enter the store. Application will directly came. Yeah, this is the application, and my flow is first of all you need to launch this URL. After click on sign on. Username is J2E J2E password means is Java application. Click on to the fish and select the first one I selected and add to cart and to proceed to checkout and continue, and final one is the confirmation. Yeah, thank you, your order has been submitted, it's successfully done. Okay, total billing amount everything will be shown. Yeah, this is the our business flow. Okay, now I will go to the in JMeter. In JMeter, this is the script, Apache JMeter underscore 1.jmx, that is the script. Okay, this is the entire script. I will explain one time. Is the test plan and HTTP cookie manager. You need to select this option, clear cookie each iteration. Every iteration you need to clear all the cookies. That time only you are able to find out the proper response time, how much time the pages will be loading. And cookies cache also same only, you need to clear the caches every iteration. This is the main part for the thread group. Okay, thread group means you need to add all the users and design the scenario how you need to execute. Example, this is the number of threads, thread properties. I will give an yes 20 users. Ramp up period is yeah 5 seconds. You know how we need to work? 20 by 5 means 4. Every 4 seconds one user will be ramp up, that base will be work. I will select the infinity only will be executed, and I will select this specify thread lifetime. Thread lifetime means it's a specific duration will be executed. Okay, I will execute the just a minute. I will give the 30 users and 6 I will give. Uh, okay, I will give in the 1800 seconds, 30 minutes you need to execute the test. I will show you exactly how we need to execute, what are the things the clients is looking for, you need to set up. Okay, total threads is 30 users. You need to set up this one, 30 users, ramp up is 6. Okay, 30 by 6 you need to calculate how much time will become na? That many seconds one user will be executed. You need to select the infinity, that time only the duration will be executed. Example, now version is 5.4, you can go to the 4.0 or 3.0 versions. There is a different name will be specified thread lifetime, no? It's a different name will become, and this one also startup delay seconds first, and the second one is the duration is there, but now 5.4.1 is changed, it is the duration will be provided. Duration is totally, you can set this specify thread lifetime, and duration is I will provide the 1800 seconds, means 30 minutes you will execute the test. After CSV dataset config is the username password will provided, and correlation, parameterization, page verification, it's already done. This is the test data. The test data is available in E folder only. You can see username and password. This is the username password. Single username password only I will provide it. I am not provide more than. This is the general test data. Okay. After you need to CSV dataset config point of view, file name you need to provide the browser and you need to provide the location. But file encoding you no need to provide anything. Otherwise you need to provide the UTF-8 format. You need to provide, that is the encoding. Variable names means example I will open the username and password. This is the first one is the username and password is the variable name and is the first line. Okay. After ignore first line, only used if variable name is not empty. Okay. Example, in my test data file there is the first username password is there. Okay. That reason what I need to select true, I selected. Ignore first line, true. Yeah, ignore first line, second line will be started. Delimiter is comma only. Okay. You can see I provided the comma only. I can use comma only. Allow quoted data, false. You know what is a quoted data? I will show you that one. Example, quoted data means, example, my name Gauri Shankar. You can select the allow quoted data is true. What will happen? You will consider the two different names. Gauri is separate name, Shankar will be separate name. Okay. Once you need to false you will given that time this total name will be considered only one name. Okay, that is the different, and you will provide the double quotations. Example, this is the names, you need to provide the two different names. That time you can provide the two double quotations. That is the allow quoted data. Now this one is the two names. Okay, two names. Otherwise you need to consider only single name. You can remove and you can provide the first double quotation, last double. This is the now one name. This is the way only the allow quoted data will be work. After I will explain this one separate video. I will clearly explain. Some people have a doubt also. How we need to work exactly I will show you practically. After recycle on end of file true. Means I don't have any test data. This is for just demo purpose only. I created this video. I don't have any that much huge test data. Only first username password only I will provided. That reason I will provided the recycle end of file true. Keep on that username password only will be login, and a client's point application point of view also in company also some applications what will happen he did not provide the username and passwords or remaining any parameters also. He did not provide the huge test data, he did not provided. Clients also is not provided. Clients also told you can use the reuse only the test data for the internal application point of view. That time you need to select the recycle on end of file true. That time keep on the test data only keep on using and successfully executing your test. I mean generally executing everyone 1 hour test will be executed, but there is a lot of difference for the load testing types. Now, load testing type means it's not a load testing stress, endurance, spike, volume, not that type of testing. Environment based testings I will show you. environment based load testing I will explain. First you need to complete this one. Stop thread on end of file. Stop thread on end of file means once the test data is completed na, you will stop the test data. You will stop the test. I will provide the false only. I don't have any that much of huge test data na. That reason I will select the false. False means once test data is completed also is keep on running only. And sharing modes, I'll select the all threads. All threads means is a single thread only, but some execution test how we need to work na, you need to provide the multiple threads you need to add it and you need to execute the test. It's a higher level in distributed method you need to execute the test na. That time you can use the these methods all threads. The test data, what are the test data you provided, this same test data will be used all threads anywhere where is required you parameterize it na, in dollar open and close square brackets you provided. No, sorry, dollar open and close flower brackets you will provide it na, that all the parameter areas this test data will be used in all threads. I will explain this all the methods after. I will show you practically all threads how we need to work. Current thread group, current thread, edit. Okay, this one all the things I will explain. Means a load, stress, endurance, spike, volume. The testings, which method you need to select it in load runner. In load runner is a license based na. You will provide the specific parameters and you need to easily select and you need to do it. Means everything is developed in company and the license everything is already available. You can directly you can just the futures only you need to select it. But nowadays most of the companies in especially in performance point of view means I have experience only performance only. Every company is means around 60 to 70% companies will looking for only open source only. And now banks also will be using only open source only, not for the license. The reason for the license cost is very huge and is keep on increasing. And example, in load runner tool, in before HP company will provide trailer version also, and now micro focus company it did not provide a trailer version also for general practicing purpose. It's a mandatory for the company employees only you need to able to get the access. Okay, for trailer version also that much of problem will be created now. That reason most of the companies will migrate to the only open source. My sincere request who are the people is newly started from the in performance testing, please you need to learn only for the open source. That is your career will be best. And the best tools is nowadays in market. One is Apache JMeter, Gatling, Locust, Grinder, Tsung. Okay, these 5 tools it's the most popular for the in performance testing. You have anything doubt you can check to the in Naukri or indeed.coms. You can get the Apache JMeter jobs you can mention. Okay, something experience in it 2 3 years of experience you need to check how many jobs is there in Gatling, Locust, Grinder, Tsung. Okay, so many companies will using the open source only. Okay, please you can understand that one. And you need to learn these tools now, you able to get easily job and you can learn more compared to license. Okay, just is my advice only, not for the compulsory. Okay, this all threads everything I will explain after next my video. Okay, after same CSV there's a config also same only format. And I will use the recording point of view recording controller. Previous versions every transaction in recording purpose I will use you go to the logical controller. I will select the transaction controller. Transaction controller based before 3.0 you need to record the all the scripts, but and now also available transaction controller, but most of the time you will set the recording controller only. Okay. In script, this is the structure in JPEG store only. Everything correlation, parameterization and page verification is already done. Just I will open and I will show you what I will mention. Just for demo purpose only this testing, that reason I am not created not more higher level. This is for the application URL. It's a header managers will be recording time only, it's captured. I will provide the constant timer for every transaction in 1 second only. That is 1 second. Response session, I will select the response code, and content I will select the match and fatting. In 200 will become na, you will pass that one. Now I select the thread delay in millisecond, 1000 seconds na, means I will 1 second. Okay, the phasing and think time, these details now, that is based on your script. Okay, how long your script is executed and how much of duration you need to execute, how much of user load, that based you need to adjust that one. And after I will explain the types of timers, what are the most timers you need to use it. Mostly using constant timers, Poisson random timers, and synchronizing timers. Okay, these are the timers mostly using, and uniform random timers also will using. After I will show you that one also, how we need to use all the things and how we need to exactly set up to the in script point of view. Okay, this is only main topic is a load testing only. Okay, remaining all also same only. I never changed anything. Okay, same format only I will mention. Okay. Okay, after gender you will select the listeners in view results tree. You know everyone, you need to check the results. And a summary report is a general summary report, will provide all the details. It's a very important. And aggregate report also almost same only, but a little bit only changed. Assessment results, the results will be came to the text format, and what is the success and failure both will become, and what are the errors also will become directly in this place. You need anything directly log, you can go to browse and you need to select to the location at CSV or JTL file, you can generate that one. Graph results, the load test execution time na, I will show you what is the peak load, how we need to execute it, what is the throughput, all the details. Simple data writer, you need to provide the location only, will write the logs only to CSV format. Okay, I will provide the log location, this is the location. Okay, e colon slash e folder load test 1.csv, that is the location I will provide it. Okay, this is general recording settings options, HTTP test script recorder. Okay, our total users is 30, ramp up period second 6, and infinity will select it. Select the infinity option, and specific thread lifetime selected, and duration is 800 seconds. Okay, now I need to execute the test. Okay, environment based load testing now. Okay, environment based means every company will follow different types of methods he will follow, and most of the companies will follow agile methodology. Okay, everyone know agile methodology, how we need to work. Okay, without waste your time, you need to work for the both developers and testers. That purpose will be created to the agile methodology is the fastest way of doing the work. Okay, a simple words. And the environments is every company will using, and project based everything will be changed. And in my experience point of view, what are the environment I will see now. First one is the low dev environment. Okay, second one is dev, third one is test, fourth is QA, fifth is pre-prod, Sixth is production. Okay, these are the examples. Environments I will see. Loadev environments, it's a new application. Now only it started from the, or maybe one or two pages only will be developed, but every page now only you need to test. Test means that one page only, you need to record that one and you need to check. Okay, and you need to check what are the issues you need to find out. And so many online page loading time checking purpose also, there are so many tools also available in web based. Okay, you need to use the tools also. Next my video I will mention that all the list of the tools and each web page how much time you need to take in and what are the issues is there in specifically that page. Example, there is a JavaScript will be used to develop the front end application, the web page specifically, which methods will took to the higher response time you need to load. Okay, all the details will be provided. This is the way you need to suggest to the development team, and development team that time only will fix that issues. That time in future environments, um, you can moving to the next releases, there is no any issues, less number of errors and the response time you moving to the application to in production. That is the way we'll work to the low dev. Dev means it's already 50% is tested, means development is completed 50%, but still there is so many issues is there, but it's coming to the testing purpose. It's a version based type. Okay, this testing also will completed no? In test environment it's almost application is done. Okay, 80 to 90% is completed and coming to the testing. Okay, this is the perfect testing environment. QA, it's done 100%, no more questions, you need to check the quality only. In performance testing also run from many rounds of test and multiple rounds you need to validate the application is moving to production or not. Pre-prod means there is a separate servers. In my company point of view, there is a separate servers available in pre-prod environment. How the production servers available, what is the configurations, everything in same setup, same servers, same softwares you'll use it to deploy the code and you need to test it. This is the pre-prod environment. Okay, in pre-prod what is the response will become same only in production also. Okay, but some companies what will happen now, in production what is the hardware configuration is there, 50% of configuration only will provide the pre-prod. Okay, this testing time you need to get the 2 seconds response time from every transaction. A same response time you need to coming to the example, a pre-prod environment. If half of the configuration 4 seconds response time means you can moving to the production is a higher level configuration compared to double. That time every transaction you need to get the 2 seconds response time will be calculated to the directly clients or senior architects. That based what are the pre-prod environment testing results based only, and means multiple rounds of results and consistency based only. The testing user response only you need to simulate it to the directly in production, and you will take before only everything is backup only. Anything issue will be created now, you need to return back to push to the back one, old one only will pushed. But most of the time you need to run the pre-prod environment multiple rounds of test. Okay, once the ticket will be came, in my point of view I will run from 10 rounds. Any platform changes anything and you need to run from 10 rounds, it's successfully, there is no any performance breaches, yes I will pass the test. After only that the release, next release only will move into production. Okay, after user load point of view, load of environment I executed only 10 rounds. That is variation of the project to project will a variation, but just I will explain. In my environment I used only AWS, it's a cloud based. Okay, the user load is AWS is very sensitive, that reason in not running from the higher level user load, it's a very low level only will executed in load of environment. just from 10 users. 10 user load, and duration also only 10 minutes only, not more than. Moving to the environment is same, AWS, and the user load will fixedly need to sending the 20 user load only. 20 user load, but duration is 1 hour. This is explained only for it's in my project. What are the project I worked, that is only okay. Your point of view, the project to project, requirement to requirement, everything will be changed. You can understand, this is just for example point only, okay, just for example. Please, you need to understand that one. After test environment, this is the important one. Same environment, the user load will be running from based on the application and the hardware configuration. I executed the total 10,000 users with the distributed method. Distributed load testing, okay. Means what are the users is available, okay. Means what is the configuration of the servers. Test environment configuration only, it supported only 10,000 users only. 4 missions only will provided. 4 missions means one mission is the master and the remaining 3 is the slave missions. Will running fill multiple rounds, only duration is 1 hour only, not more than. QA environment is same, AWS only, okay. Same 10,000 user load only, not more than. Same 1 hour time. In pre-prod environment, same AWS, the cloud only will provided, but configuration is different. The now will be provided, will executed around 25,000 user load, okay. Total 7 missions will be provided, means it's a load generators and 1 hour duration, okay. In production environment, based on my experience, I did not get any chance you need to execute it directly in production, okay. I have totally 7 years experience, I did not get any chance to production, okay. I am not executed any test, okay. In production point of view, 90% anyone never executed the directly in test. You have huge experience, you know everything from production, and clients also did not provided the permission to you need to execute the production. Anything will be ended 90% pre-prod only, okay. Anything issue will be came, that one also automatically backup already is available, automatically push up to the backup, and production will be rebacked. The issue will be solved, you need to test to the pre-prod, after only will push to the production, okay. In my experience only, I am not executed any test to production, okay. This is the way we'll executed my work. And test data, it's a very important. Test data means based on what are the test data is available, that application will be used in under drop downs, or username and passwords, or any another parameter based test data. The data is very limited and you will accept it, you need to you reuse, it's a very happy you need to use. Otherwise you need to running from very unique test data, that time you need to create the huge test data you need to create it, that is one. Otherwise you need to execute any endurance testing, na? That time most of the time will be provided the reusable test data only, but unique test data is required na, that time only you need to create the more number of test data. That is, you need to discuss to the in client only how much test data is required, how much duration you need to execute the test. Example, you will execute a 1 hour test, how much test data is required you need to calculate. And the same time, the test data you need to provide the phasing and think time. Okay, phasing and think time you need to provide it na, that based how much test data you required, how much phasing and think time will be provided. This is the very important concept. That based only the test data, exactly how much test data is required for executing successfully to 1 hour, you need to calculate and you need to provide. Maybe you need to run from before also 10 minutes, you need to execute and you need to check. Okay, that time you need to exactly how you need to able to execute, how much time will be sufficient, and you need to provide the proper phasing and think time. Okay, that time only you able to understand how the phasing will be work, how the think time will be work. Okay, this is the general details for the environments, open source tools, and user load, and what are the types of AWS, Azure, GCP will be using mostly. AWS most popular, I will explain AWS only. And user loads, there are so many types of testings executed, test data, this all the details is required. It's a basic and minimum knowledge any performance tester. Okay, after I supported, this is the majorly open source tools. Okay, this is the agile methodology. Okay, okay, now I need to execute the test. Okay, everything I am already set up. Okay, now I need to execute this test. Yeah, you can see there is a small spot, dots will be moving now. This is only the user load will be increased. It totally 30 user load na, down from running to the any general missions. Just I will showing purpose only I running this one. After I will delete the backend, there are so much of data will be created, and system performance also will be decreased. Okay, this much of huge data you need to run, that reason I deleted after I backend. That is my work. Okay, just I will showing purpose only I will doing this one. And you can go to the sample results now. You can see how many backend data will be going on. Production IDs or category IDs, confirmation, work item IDs. This all the things is parameterized data. Okay, and response assertions. All the things will be executed. You will showing that one. Anything will be failed now, it automatically show that one. This is the aggregate report will be executed totally. I will explain that all the details also. One will be completed now. Summary data. Okay, this is general view results tree. You can see something will be failed na? That is fastly you need to execute it na? This is the demo application, that reason will be failed, but real application you never fail that type of one. Anything will be failed na? You need to report directly to development team, including to CC your managers and clients, all the peoples. That is different story, but and one thing, this is the GUI based test, and the limited users only need to execute. You can see view results tree, summary report, aggregate report, accession results, graph results, simple data rate. Everything will consume the more and more than high level memory will be consumed. Okay, this is just for demo, only from showing who are the people is learning. That purpose only I executed. In reality point of view, you need to run only from GUI mode. Everything you need to disable this one. Okay, you know everyone na, disabling how we need to disable. Just right click, you can go to disable. This is the disable, or enable this one. You can disable and you need to run the test. Okay, this one also will be impacted. Okay, the graph is going in a different way. You can remove the data, median and deviation. Okay, yeah, once the test is running clearly na, you can see there is a lot of different is there. The green is the throughput, and this blue type of color is average response time. You can see the spikes is going totally different, but live application is running different. Yeah, once test is completed, I will show you the average response time automatically going from spike. It's a very higher level, it is not showing. Also you can see this place is you need to come back and you need to go directly down. And coming to throughput, this time you need to gradually increase into the throughput. After moving down and even moving to closely same format only, you need to slowly you need to increase it. Okay, you need to remember one thing: average response time and throughput is totally different. Okay, one is increased now, one is automatically decreased. Is a directly and indirectly proportional will be work. Okay, you can see throughput is 800, almost 900 per minute. Okay, and average response time also 1000. It's a 1 second only. It's running total 90 minutes now. You need to watch. And the user load, how we need to see now, there is a green button is already activated. You can see it's a green button and its a time is going on 4 minutes only now running, and total 30 by 30 means user load is total 30 users, running users 30, running threads and total number of threads run. Okay, just you can watch it and how we need to running all the things. After I will explain the what are the metrics you need to take in. It's a keep on running only. You need to execute this all the things. You need to just watch it. You can understand from little bit. And this JMeter also, one of the another tools also will be integrated through BlazeMeter. Okay, JMeter and BlazeMeter almost same type. Okay, but JMeter is a open source. The company is developed to the Apache, and BlazeMeter is a separate company. It's a license. Is a application you need to install, means you need to download and use. BlazeMeter is a cloud. It's a license and commercial one. But in BlazeMeter also will developed only from open source tools based only will develop. Okay, but it's a license, na? It did not provide the that much higher level features. But some companies will be preferred to the in BlazeMeter also. You can learn that one also. You can learn easily that one. It compared to in JMeter also very easy, and you need to mention to the in your resume also. That is also best. Compared to license, example load runner remaining license tools, BlazeMeter cost is different. Okay, it's some little bit lower only, not for the higher level, but is a commercial tool only. You can hardly you can spend from 10 days now. Yeah, you can learn from clearly. Performance is available, functional available, API test available, mock services available, and so many things you need to learn to the in BlazeMeter. You can try that one in blazemeter.com. You can go directly, you can type the Google blazemeter.com, no? You will be able to came. Okay, I will show you that one also. Yeah, this is the site BlazeMeter, the complete continuous testing platform. Yeah, this is the site. You can see BlazeMeter by Perforce. Okay, this is the mainly I will tell you now. Functional performance mock service API. You can see there is a functional available and performance. You can see there is a general video. You can see one unit to run from 20,000 users. What is the hits, error percentage, average response time, 90 percentile, average bandwidth. What are the reports will be provided? All the things will be provided, but not all the features is not available to the, and who are the people is freely signed in and you need to try to use now. You're not able to execute the user load also very low, and sometimes your script also is not executed. The reason means everything you need must and should for the license. Okay. You can see the companies will be mentioned. Apache JMeter Gatling is a open source both are. Taurus is a automation open source. Cucumber also same automation. Selenium automation. Okay. Who are the people is the performance testers? Please you need to learn to the Selenium WebDriver with Java and TestNG. Okay, that is also important to the in performance team. Means nowadays companies will asking based on your experience, you will ask the teams. Okay, this is the general reporting will be provided to the Blazemeter, but it's also performance team also will using Apache JMeter will mostly consider to the in Blazemeter. It's a cloud based and recording also Blazemeter. You can see I will just click on. Yeah, this is the Blazemeter recording. You can see how is available. The team will be developed. Okay, there are so many features is available. This is the Blazemeter recording. Don't think this one only. There is a lot of available. You need to record in this way. On mobile applications, you need to record in directly to Blazemeter process recording. It's a different process. Okay, so many features also will be provided, but everything is licensed. But recording it's a free only. You need to recording to example anything JMeter is not able to record na, that time you can come and record to the in Blazemeter. This is Chrome add-in only. You can go to the Chrome and go to web store, type the Blazemeter, you will be able to come and just you can click on add-in na, click on add-on, it's added that one Blazemeter. It's a Chrome extension only. Yeah, you can go to test, you can see what is going on. Go to graph results. And there is just so many spikes will be came and down and moving to the parallel in test. Yeah, 10 minutes done, remaining 20 minutes only. And you need to go to the report, guys. Where is iDrive? You can see it's automatically created na load test 1. Just you need to open that one. Okay. Okay. Once the test will be completed, no, after I will show you that one. The average response time and throughput, no, it's a keep on running. But I'm not designing anything test how we need to execute it. This is the way directly will provide it, no? Yeah, this is the way only directly executed. I will using any stepping thread group or anything I will design. The stepping thread group now. JMeter stepping thread group is now is deprecated only, but still plugin is available in JMeter. Otherwise you can go directly in old versions is available. You can add it to the JMeter plugin manager. You can add it na automatically the stepping thread group, concurrency thread group, the thread groups everything will be came. Yeah, you can see any best one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you can see this is the stepping thread group. You can see JP updated GC stepping thread group. I don't have brightness, I'm not able to change that one. Yeah, you able to see now JP updated GC stepping thread group deprecated. Okay, this is the way you need to design to the users. how you need to execute the users, and how much duration you need to run, and how much you need to ramp up. It's a slide directly straightforward will be provided. Okay, after anyone will be created step by step. uh, Example, I will show you one thing. This one, you can see there is a step by step will be created na? Uses how we need to execute gradually, and how much duration will be spread, and how the ramp down you need to create it. This is the way you need to create the stepping thread group. That is how much of user load will provided, how the threads will be run, how much time will be waited, how we need to execute the duration only, how we need to ramp up, how much the duration ramp down, all the details will be provided. That based only you need to design this one. This is the, it's a very good format you need to provide it. Okay, everything is visualized now, you can understand how our test will be executed. But more number of times the clients will be expected execution. The only first one only I showed now already. The test is, where is that one? Yeah, this one. Yeah, the clients is executed and expected this type of test only most of the time will be executed in load testings. Okay, and agent performance testings also will running this type of one only. Need to gradually need to execute, and you need to run from some duration will be provided, and you need to down. Most of the test will executed 1 hour time, but that is based on your environment will be set up. Okay, uh, be practice for the tools. Okay, beyond practice, not for the theoretical knowledge is totally waste only. It's not useful. Okay, you need to practice the tools. Keep on practice. You can practice 100 times also, no problem. You can practice. Your tool side full knowledge na, you can work to anywhere. Okay, you can run from test everything, and execution reports. Okay, without dependent to anyone, you independently you need to work. That is the important. Yeah, you can see everything will be changing now. The samplers, how much level will be total 17,900. It's a very huge will be generated. And average response time, it's a higher only. 2000 means it's 2 seconds only average. Minimum 0.5, maximum 15, 16, 31. 31 is different. 17. Okay, yeah, 17 means, yeah, total 70 seconds is the maximum. Yeah, error percentage is 1.25, 0.6. Yeah, it's not a problem. More than 5% only is the big problem. And throughput only 1.7 seconds. It's a, yeah, throughput is not able to provide the higher level, but it's a seconds based on, it's a different. I will tell you how we need to calculate the transaction per second, transaction per minute, transaction per hour also. Received kb per second, it's almost slightly same only. Sent is good, but no packages lost, that one. Average bytes will be provided now. You need to calculate this one also. Total 5401. Okay, this one also good only. There is no any issues. 14,900. Okay, there is no any issue. 95% also. But 99, you can see 18,000 will become. The URL will become to the higher response time. Okay, remaining everything is normal only. But almost will become the response time. You can see 7 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2. But average you need to take. Yeah, 4 you will take in. 4 seconds will become. and this side it's totally around 1 only. It's a good only, there is no big deal. Yeah, 90 it's not a problem. 95 or 99 only need to take that one. Okay, client point of view, what are the things you need to take in now? First of all, transactions will be taken after samplers. Each transaction, how many requests will be transaction will be done, and the minimum, maximum, average response time each transaction. And standard deviation it did not taken, but the errors will be taken. Each transaction, how many errors, a total how many errors. What is the throughput? It's a very very important point of view. Average response time, each transaction, and throughput. If executing the test is only throughput purpose only. Throughput you need to check. And sent is a network now, both sent and received. The KB per second, you need to check into the sent and received, both you need to send. It's a very important. And one is the additional thing is, this is from my local computer only. In server side you have any monitoring tools will be provided, you need to monitor. You don't have anything. Just a minute. Example, this is the local computer, that reason I am using this task manager only I will taken. Your computer side or servers anything you need to monitoring purpose, you will provide any monitoring tools, it's best. Otherwise go to your load generator example where your JMeter will be executed. Go to that place and go to the this is the processor area. You don't touch anything, this one it's not required for your side. Go to performance. Okay, you can check the some main components. First of all, what is the utilization? 96%. Speed 1.19 gigahertz. Processes 174. The uptime it's not a threads, how many is executed, how many threads will be executed, total will be came. Handles how many. And base speed 2. Giga, socket 1, core 2, logical processors totally 4 only. Virtualization, there is no virtualization. Hyper-V support is L1 cache, L2 cache, L3 cache is 3 available. And the main one, CPU. What is the CPU utilization? You can see 99% of CPU utilization. It's a very danger. Okay, the client, this is demo test now, I will running this one. It's not a problem, it's my system point of view. But the client side, there is some metrics and SLA will be provided. The SLA is as from the performance testing side or engineering side also, 75%, or yeah, 75 is the last one. Okay, 75% CPU utilization is crossed, yeah, you need to stop the test. No need to run. For as per load testing, remember this word. As for the load testing, stress testing is different. Okay, I will explain only load testing side only. Load testing point of view, 75% will cross it the CPU utilization, you need to stop the test. Otherwise hanging the missions and stop the test, and servers also will problem and environment also problem will be created. But you run from higher level user load na, that situation what will happen, you have more number of load generators, and the server configuration is very higher level, you did not reach that much range. But I will explain, I will tell you what are the situation, how we need to react. 75% is finalized, not more than. Memory also, it's almost 70% will be given. Okay, 70 percentage will be crossed now, you need to stop the test. It's not more than anything, client will be accepted only, yeah, you need to proceed. It's only 4 GB only, it's a low configuration. Your server point of view, you will provide the very higher level configuration, and you will provide the disk also some specific will be provided, how much you need to SLA, what is the disk utilization, all the details also. There is nothing else this place. Is a Wi-Fi only I will connected. You can take into this one is the network. Okay, And same only this test running time you need to configure to the in perpmon. This is one of the important, many companies will be using perpmon. You need to perpmon, you need to configure that one. And before running the test, example I am running 30 minutes now, you can configure the test to 1 hour and you need to run. Once perpmon will be started, after you need to come to start the test after 10 minutes. After 30 minutes test will be executed now, that 30-minute test will be captured to the in perpmon and he will show the results to you. Okay, that is also one of the open source for Windows. In Linux side there is a tool called nmon. Name is nmon. The tool name is nmon. This is also same only. Okay, simple words I will explain that one. A tool side, transactions, average response time and throughput is very important, and sent bytes, received bytes is important. In server side, CPU, memory, network, disk. CPU, memory, network, disk, it's important. And it's SLA reached or not. The SLA point of view, errors is important. SLA means the transactions, this totally how many transactions na? SLA type only two types only. One is the transactions, how much response time will be came. The response is above SLA or before SLA. And error side also, client will accept there is a percentage of errors, means it's a 5% below or 3% below, there is some condition will be provided. Okay, higher level means without script issues. Example, anything failure to the script side, okay, you need to handle that one. You need to do one, you need to check the rescripting, why you need to fail, you need to check. Okay, without any script issues, that is from server end. Example, 500 errors, 404 error, that type of server side errors will become no, you not able to do anything. Okay, same errors only you need to mention and you need to send it to the directly to the in client point of view. He will conduct anything meeting now, you need to explain that one. This is the errors will become, that is not my responsible, that is the development team or server admins only will doing, I am not able to do anything. Okay, your job is well done. You need to understand what your job, okay, and what is your responsible, what you need to do. Anything errors will become, how you need to do. Okay, you have interested, you need to solve that issue, it's not possible. Okay, means technical knowledge is there but you're not able to do. The reason means administration credentials is never given to anyone to you, and development team it's not given to, you need to solve the issue. Okay, you need to do your job but learn from the knowledge. Technical side you need to learn, that time only easily you need to tell to the developers how we need to solve that issue. And server side also, how the people, what is exactly issue, how we need to, the load balancer will be communicating, and you need to check the load balancer also, how many load balancers is available. Once test will be started, all the request will be mutually need to distribute it to the both the, example, two load balancers available. I have running from now 30 minutes test. It now 26 minutes, remaining 4 minutes will complete it. 30 minutes test will be executed na? All the request will going to both these load balance will be came, means the load balancer will be distributed to the servers. Okay, the two servers will be distributed or only one server only will be, all the request will be taken, remaining next server is totally empty. Okay, that type of issues also available. Means who are the people you need to coming to the newly in performance testing course, you need to learn and you need to moving to the software industry na? This all the things you need to learn before only practically. That time you need to easily need to crack to the interview and you need to go to the or ODC environments. Now everything is online only now, work from home only, you can take the system and you need to work easily. Okay, practice only important. My personal experience I will explain to you. I am also learning many things from interview point of view, but The theoretical knowledge, it's a totally waste. Only clear the interview only. Work side you not able to do anything single also. Okay, beyond practice minimum 5 to 6 or 10 times also you need to practice. Okay, just my suggestion. That's all. Yeah, remaining 2 minutes will completed. I will show you what are the results will became, how we need to take in all the things. Actually system is very low configuration, that reason will took the very higher level. Yeah, company side it's a best systems available, best configuration will provided, you can use easily. And process also will best processes will be provided. In company what will be done now, in performance testing you will find any issues also. Most of the issues the development team um, it did not solve it. Okay, the problem is all what are the issues you find out now, the all the issues it totally runtime errors only. Okay, example you have anything knowledge about from the any programming language, example Java. General errors, yeah, you able to solve, you can find out, but runtime errors you have good experience to the practical knowledge of the application and programming side and databases and servers, everything you have idea. That time only the program how we need to execute, how the pass to the means what are the objects will be created, the objects how we need to execute. Okay, what will be given, what will be output will be came, where you need to able to get the error. This is you have some deep knowledge only, that time only you able to do. But the what will happen na, at the same time the developers also will working multiple applications na, you don't have time, you need to solve and you will moving to production. The team simply say this issues everything will be solved to the next version. Okay, next version will be came na, that time also there is a lot of work. Okay, next version will be solved, the versions will be keep on moving only, but issues is not solving around 80%. Okay, I will talk to the many performance testers, not only from India and different countries also, same response only. Okay, big banks also same only will doing. Okay, remember that word, once you need to come to the this video, what are the people will listen these words, the people will be understand. Okay, you know everything in performance side, but who are the people is newly listening these words, means newly started in performance career na, the people just one of the experience. Yeah, your company will be solved that issues, yeah, really great. It did not solve, okay, no problem, your job is done, that's all. Okay, yeah, coming to the test side, you can see totally test is executed, totally 30 minutes executed. It's done. Summary report side, totally transactions will become each transaction how many will be done, means um, JPEG store URL total 3154 transaction, everything transaction will be done. Average response time also totally good, total 0 point only, this is only 1.9 second, total 2 seconds. This is the minimum, maximum is very too much, but it's not a problem, but average only will be considered. Error percentage nothing, everything 0 only. Throughput is only 1.8, but will be expecting it more, but throughput is not generated. You need to drill down this one, why it did not generate to the throughput for a higher level. Okay, that is a different story, after I will tell you why it did not generate the throughput. And received and sent, it totally, yeah, it's a good only. average will be taken. Average is too much will be take for the how much higher level data, but this is also good. Totally 5 4. I can take the consider to the 4 bytes per second level will be sent the data without packet losses. And its aggregate report, it's will provide 99. Okay, some people will be asking questions in interview also. What is 90 percentile, 95 percentile, 99 percentile means? Example, 95 percentile means anything same only. Example, 90 percentile. 90 percentile means the 90% of response is good, expected. Okay, means before the below SLA, the last 10% only, the 10% response time is very high. The what will happen at that time, the total 10% response time you need to remove, and you need to take that 90% response time only you need to consider. That is the 90 percentile, and 95 percentile, 99 percentile, same only. This is, there is no errors, it did not came any. Just a minute, anything will be came, just a minute. Or no, what time will be taken? Okay, something errors will become 1 or 2, but that errors also I am already shown in test execution time also. Yeah, is totally I am not designed the proper test, that reason only the graphs will be moving this way. Okay, it's almost straightly will be going. I means you can see throughput and average response time almost same format will be gone down. This simple data writer na, you can go to that report. Okay, this is the way also you need to get through CSV file. Just you need to give in the location. Example, you can go to JMeter, simple data writer. Not only simple data writer, you can go to graph results, accession results, aggregate report, summary report. Yeah, view results tree also. You can go to browse that location. Okay, go to browse that location. You need to provide the location details where you need to save. That's all. And format is .csv or .jtl files. Okay. Yeah, you can see timestamp is different. Okay, it's a name different will become. Is a UTC timestamp will be time zone will become. You can see yeah, this is the transactions. Label name is, this is the transactions. Okay, you need to add it to the what you need to press na. Yeah, you can press Control Shift L. Okay, Control Shift L. Control Shift L will be pressed na. In Excel sheet, what will happen na, in top of the what are the names available in variable names, that variable names there is a shorted combo box will be generated, shorting purpose. Example, I will show you. And now I need only URL only. Okay, I need only URL transactions. What will do now, you can see totally there is so many transactions will become. This is the way you can shorten, easily you need to short it. I will select, unselect that one, all, go to JPEG store URL, that's all. You can see now there is a huge number of URL available, only JPEG store URL only. This is the elapsed time. Elapsed time means ramp up, duration, ramp down. The total time is the elapsed time. Okay, this is the elapsed time. And this is totally how many transactions now. You can press the Control Shift and you can moving You can, where is that one button? Yeah, it's done now. You can calculate this one. You can see there is a count. Okay, total count how much? 3154 will be generated. This is the way you need to calculate. And elapsed time also you need to take average that one. What is the, and this one elapsed time now you need to take the minimum, average, maximum, how will be taken na? Yeah, 37 is the maximum response time. Minimum you need to take 589 is the starting one. Average you only need to calculate what you need to provide. There is no any specific that one. After response code, you can click response code. Now this is totally 200 only. Otherwise, other than the anything 200 will become na, you can see non HTTP response code. This is very important. These errors you need to note it to send it to the client reports. This one will be asking so many peoples. You can, okay. Non HTTP response code org.apache.http.con.http host connect exception. Okay, that is not your issue. Not for the script side. This is from the connection side. Okay, you need to hit to the server request na. That is the problem. Okay, the connection is totally rejected. I mean, this is the demo application, but sometimes original applications also the user request is not able to handle that type of that many huge request. Yeah, this type of issue errors will be came. After this is generally thread group, you know everyone this one. Okay, thread name na, thread group, one bar how many users will be executed, each thread how many user, how many transactions will be done, that will specifically will showing. This is data type common text only, there is no anything. And the success true false both is available. You need to select true is very higher level. This test you can select the false. Yeah, total how many failed na will show you false. Okay, you need to remove that one. You can select all. And yeah, failure also same already you see this error. And the sent byte, bytes only two types available. The bytes type you need to select and it will be list shorted. Sent bytes also same. This one group threads totally around 30 available. You need to select that one. All threads also same only 30. Yeah, this is the URL. It's the same URL only, launching URL. It's a very important guys, latency. Okay, latency means once user request will send it to server. Okay, means user request means user will send to request to the server, and the server will be processed the request, and return to response will be the server will be send the response to user. The first request will be server response will receive to user na. The first, the total time is the latency. Latency is very important. And this one also you need to calculate the minimum, average, maximum you need to take. 0 is 588 means 0.5. 36 seconds is the maximum. Minimum you need to take 1.4, that type of one. Ideal time it's a common 0 only, there is nothing. Connection also it's different, but it's not that much important, but is need anything errors will become na, you need to take. Okay, this is also where you need to take the report. And example, what is the use for this one? And summary report. what is the difference for this one and this Excel report na? The main difference is you need to run for one more round of test. Everything will be erased and it is newly created to the newly starting the test. Everything will be erased na? This one not that type of way. Once the test everything will be erased also. This one is same. You need to save this one to any some other folders, anything you need to save and given the meaningful name. Now I will provide the load test one. You need a project point of view. JPEG store. I will provide that one name. We need to provide now. JPEG store underscore 30 user load test US East underscore 1. Okay, and project, some people will provide project code also 112205 underscore. This is the project code. Okay, this is need to provide that one 112205 JPEG store 30 user load test US East 1, and you need to provide the very higher level na? Yeah, you need to provide the test environment. Okay, not only this much huge level, I will provide this detail based on your convenient you can use and you need to provide. Okay, and this test na, these results everything you need to save somewhere. Anything clients, you know what will happen na, some applications the same team only. Example, there is a, I'm lastly working to the Bank of America. In Bank of America what will happen na, the project will given to the in our company, the same project will given to the some other company also, same application only, same application, same performance testing, everything is same, but the major difference is our side results is different and what are the another company will be provided na? The name I'm not able to specify that company. Okay, the company also will provide the results is different. My side, my name, I'm Gauri Shankar. Ours, that person name is Mr. Joy. Okay, it's a Canada. The both the people, both are performance testers only. Client is came and you need to sit up the middle of the place. It's the main client, you know everything. And business side and performance side is the major person for performance architect. It's around 20 years experience. 20 means is the business will be started after only performance testing will be introduced. Na? Total around 20 years will be you have experience, but both the performance reports will be totally different. Okay, our side response time, utilizations, everything different, and my side totally different, but running from both are same times only. Same time means same day only, different times I will execute it. Okay, some people what you told our side mistake. Okay, some people what is told our side mistake. Okay, it's a dilemma, which person will running successfully test and which person it not able to show the test, which person is running properly or not. Okay, I will save this test reports, everything reports means this one, this Excel CSV format files, what are the tests I will executed and date I will mention, I will save it to the everything, every test means 0 user load to 20,000 25,000 user load, I will saved all the things. US East US East location and West location both, and every report there is a JMeter HTML format, means there is a graphical report will be prepared, generated that one. Okay, in command prompt you need to execute it, that time will be generated. That one also you need to mention both are, and you will show this is the test I executed. You can see there is some proof, but that person yeah, that person also is very good experience, but way of talking, you know everything, but the major problem is the person is not saving to any reports. Okay, that is only problem, but both are doing same only. The main problem is the Unix server. Okay, what application will provide it to me? The Unix server will be given to the same configuration. One server will given to the person and one server will given to our side. The IP address is different. Okay, our side server is means keep on fluctuating that one. The backend there is a noise is going on, but administration team it's not provide the proper solution that one. But my side server is good, there is no any issues. But our side issue is there, no, that is keep on response is going at higher level only. Okay, after only we'll drill down the issues. Okay, there is so many problems is keep on going on. That reason, first of all, in who are the people will came to the in performance testing side, the people you need to learn from the practical knowledge. Okay, you have strong practical knowledge, you able to do anything from performance testing side. You don't have proper knowledge, everyone will blame to you. Okay, you can understand that words. I will face many issues in company side and client side. Okay, so many people will question to you. You will doing everything is good, but you don't know proper knowledge for the performance testing. You're not able to find out that side your side mistake or our side, who is doing wrong. You're not able to find out that one. You need to understand the what is the client mentalities, manager mentalities, team members mentality, everything you need to learn. Okay, one by you need to learn, and you need to strong mind, and you need to work properly to the company. Okay, you need to argue with the client now. You have a some proof, you have a mandatory proof. In software industry, proof is mandatory. Okay, that reason you have full technical knowledge, no? Yeah, you able to do anything. Anything means it's for testing point of view, you need to perfectly need to do successful. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. This video it's take too lengthy, I'm very sorry that one, but I will explain the all the details. Who are the peoples will see this video? Yeah, you can get some little bit knowledge. Okay, yeah, that's all this video. Yeah, thank you very much for everyone. I will connect to the next video. Bye.